Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology True or False. This is part 44. Let's go to our quiz. A species is a group of similar organisms that can breed and produce fertile offsprings. True. According to Darwin, selective breeding is most responsible for evolution. False. Body parts found in different species that are structurally similar are said to be analogous structures. False. Genetics is a process of biological changes in a species over time. False. A phenotype that allows an organism to survive and reproduce is an vestigial structure. False. Biodiversity is the variety of different life forms within an area. True. Natural selection can be described as survival of the biggest and the strongest. False. Organisms that are related but have evolved to become different over time have a similar habitat. False. Body parts found in different species that serve a similar function are said to be homologous structures. False. Vestigial structures are not used but are still present in an organism. True. A bird's wing is homologous to a butterfly wing. False. Darwin began to formulate his concept of evolution from experimentation with animals. False. Darwin's concept of evolution was influenced by knowledge about the structure of DNA. False. Comparative anatomy can show similarities in structure that supports the idea of evolutionary relationship and common ancestry. True. An organism's ability to successfully reproduce in its environment refers to its natural selection. False. Carolus Linnaeus' classification system was based on molecular similarities between organisms. False. All mutations are harmful. False. All mutations are random. True. All mutations cause organisms to evolve. False. Jean-Baptiste Lamarck said that organisms will acquire new traits over many generations and pass them on to their offsprings. False. The process of humans breeding organisms with specific traits in order to produce offsprings with those same traits is called adaptation. False. When a female chooses to mate with the most impressive physical traits is called artificial selection. False. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology True or False, Part 44. Let's meet again in Biology True or False, Part 45. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.